Welcome to Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens. Today, we had a 2024 Mazda CX30 come into our shop. The car had been involved in a front-end collision. The bodywork had been repaired at a different shop from our own. But ever since the bodywork was done, the car has been plagued with electrical gremlins. Let's take a look to see what the problem is.
This again is a 2024 Mazda CX30 with only 2,000 miles on it. Had a front-end collision and is having all kinds of electrical issues. Look what happens when I plug it in. Wipers go crazy. Headlight doesn't come on. This side comes on. We have every single light on the dash. We also have all these codes. These here are the two communication wires to go to the headlight. These two communication wires are shutting out the whole network. Therefore, we have no cluster communication, no HVAC communication. This wire right here, which is our red wire, is reading a whole battery voltage when it's only supposed to be carrying 2.3 or 2.7 volts. At battery voltage on a network wire that is connected to the headlight. This red wire, which is one of my network wires that goes to the headlight connector, through these two wires, is giving me battery voltage. This right here is a connector that connects my network that goes to the cluster, and it also goes to the HVAC. Once this thing is plugged in, which is my headlight, it's giving me a shorting out my circuits. But if I unplug it and I plug it back in, everything goes back to normal. I have no more wipers going crazy, and everything works fine. That wire is coming from our connector, which this connector hooks up to our new headlight. We're trying to find out if this headlight is aftermarket or is original.
So we proceeded to do our research and we found out that the headlight was indeed a factory headlight, but it was a factory headlight for a 2022 model. Now, mind you, the 2022 model Mazda CX30 is the exact same car, but it seems that the electronics internally are different. Even though it uses the same connector, the pinouts for the data line and the full battery voltage line are different. This is what caused the electrical problems when the new headlight was installed.
All my codes go away. There's no more codes. Still got a few lights on the dash that I gotta figure out. I think it's just resets, but windows work. Now I got windows. Wipers are not going crazy. I think we could call this one fixed. Well, we gotta get a headlight.
So the solution turned out to be to get a proper 2024 Mazda headlight. Now again, these headlights are identical, same appearance, even the same connector, it's just that internally the wiring is different. Using the proper 2024 Mazda headlight fixed the problem. So, if you have an Asian, domestic, or European vehicle in need of maintenance, diagnostics, or auto repair, also collision work, feel free to reach out to us at Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens.